Guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today to take a quick look at the new Tronsmart Apollo Air Plus, which in my opinion and in my feedback are probably the best that Tronsmart has produced so far. Starting with a quick unboxing experience. Once we open this really nice package that I've got right over here, we will find the Apollo Air Plus earbuds and also the charging case, along with some paperwork which we love, and of course a really nice storage bag, 4 extra ear tip pairs and a USB Type-C cable for charging. Now in terms of comfort, which is one of the things that I value most on earbuds, comfort and also the ability not to fall, and the audio quality and volume, what I can say is that they are almost in par with the latest earbuds that we've seen here on the channel, which were the Pamo Z1. Now the volume on the Tronsmart is not quite there as high because the Pamo Z1 are the ones that so far I tested with the biggest volume. Audio quality, they are on par, so here just great. And talking about the comfort, if you are wondering if you can get them for sports, yes, no worries at all. The only issue that I had, but this has to do with the physiognomy of each one of us, is that on a 45-minute session I had to readjust them once or twice just to get fitting a little bit better. But this will also help if you use one of those ear tips according to your ear size. But I did try them all, and in my particular case they still keep on falling. It's not because of the sweat, they just sometimes move out of place, but that's the only complaint that I had. In terms of the audio quality, it's just awesome, really great quality. In terms of the specifications, by the way, I'm not going to mention the TWS, the noise cancelling right over here. Just leave a link down below and that you guys can check out all those really necessary but boring things. Here I just want to share with you my experience. In terms of the battery, they will last roughly between 4 to 5 hours, and if we count with the box, which will charge roughly 3 to 4 times, we will have a total of 16 to 20 hours of battery, which can be charged via USB Type-C with the cable that comes included, or we can also charge it via wireless. And personally, I don't use wireless to charge these devices because it's a lot faster via cable, but it's always nice to see that technology. Now in terms of controls, we have a lot of options, but instead of showing you the play and pause and fast forward and rewind and so on and so forth and telling you how many touches you need to do, I will show you the app, which will give us the option to change quite a few things. First of all, we have the ambient, the active noise cancelling off, and of course the active noise cancelling on, which is at this moment it blocks almost every noise that I've got here on the office. If I put active noise cancelling off, just like a regular earbud without any kind of technology, and then the ambient noise will let the noise that I've got here on the office or anywhere else get in through my ears so that I can easily hear if I'm on traffic or if I'm on somewhere else that I need to be paying attention. Then this mode is really nice. This is not the first time that we see, but it's really nice. As you can see, they are okay, they will not fall, I think, or probably they will. But if I was jogging at this moment, probably they are almost out of my ears. As you can see, almost out of my ears. So I probably need to adjust them a little bit better and get used to this shape, to this format, but using it on my jogging sessions and the things that I do on the gym. Now talking about the app, as we have these 3 options right over here. If we press the right or left, it will show us the battery level, and then here on the middle we have the equalizer options, which is just great. Honestly, I prefer the original one. It has a great sound quality and great volume, so I don't feel the need to use any other equalizer mode. And if I go to the settings right over here, as my favorite feature, which is if I want, I can just change what I can do with the touches. So if I tap once, I can select right over here the key that I want to access, and if I press right over here, the same. So one tap, double tap, tap once and hold for 2 seconds and tap 3 times. So we can customize this the way that we want, and this is one of my favorite features on any earbuds that I've used so far. And guys, basically this is it. So in conclusion guys, they are very comfortable, the audio quality is just awesome, the volume really nice. The only thing that I would say that would leave me a little bit with the step behind is that I still haven't found the ideal position so that they don't move at all, and I've tried all the ear tips, so I'm not really sure if they will fit on my ear, but that's basically my only complaint. Everything else is great. The app, by the way, I forgot to mention that I was using Android and it works great, but on iPhone it doesn't work that well. Sometimes it crashes, sometimes I cannot change the keys on the iPhone app, and so on and so forth. Hopefully the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next.